Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to repair registry errors on your Windows computer. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So I'd recommend, even though you might be having registry problems, I would still recommend creating a backup of your registry if you haven't already done so. And that would be to open up the Start menu and type in Regedit. Best match should say Regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. Now I would recommend heading up and left clicking on the File tab at the top and then left click on Export. This will create the exported backup of our registry. Now you can name this file whatever you want. Just for simplicity, I like naming it the date. And then you want to save it, and I'm going to save it to desktop. And then I'd recommend that you even consider backing it up to a flash drive or CD or DVD for safekeeping in the event that something happens to your computer. And I do not believe anything will happen, at least with what we're doing in today's video, but it's always good practice to have backups of the registry. And after we're done fixing your problem today, I would recommend creating a new backup and probably deleting the old one once you've determined that everything's up and running okay. So once we are done doing that, I'm going to close out of the Registry Editor and I'm going to open up a web browser here, and this will be the tool that we're going to be using to hopefully resolve the problem that we're experiencing on our computer. So I'd recommend navigating over to google.com, and once you're on Google you want to type in REG soft S, so reg softs with an S on the end, and then type in registry repair, hit enter. One of the best matches should say regsofts.com, free Windows registry repair. Highly recommend that you get it directly from this site because there's a lot of registry repairs online, and you want to make sure you're not downloading an advertisement. So you want to make sure you're getting it directly from this site here. And the web page should look like this, and you want to select the button that looks like Download Now up here. There might be other buttons that say Download. These are advertisements. I'm just going to put that out there. So you want to make sure you click on the Download Now button that says Download Now right here, the one that I'm highlighting over, and not this ad, because this is just an ad. You might see other ads on here that look a little different. So I'm going to select Download Now, and then once it's finished downloading, I'm going to left click on it one time to open it up. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. It's going to say welcome to the free Windows Registry Repair Setup program. This program will install free Windows Registry Repair on your computer. You want to select Next. If you want to change your destination folder, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to keep it default and move on by selecting Next. I'm going to select Next one more time and then one more time to finish it off. And I'm going to keep the box checked to launch the free Windows Registry Repair. Again, this is a completely free utility. There's no paywalls or anything that's blocking you from using this application. If it does not look like this, you downloaded the wrong thing. I don't really know what else to say. So the first thing you want to do is start by left clicking on full scan on the left side here. And this will take a moment to run, so you just want to be patient. Okay, so once it's done, you want to left click on the Fix Errors button right here, and it should be very quick. It'll tell us how many errors it fixed down here. I recommend at this point closing out of the application, restart your computer, use it for a little bit, and see how it goes. Once you've determined that your computer is all good, I'd recommend, if you choose to do so, you create a backup of your registry, and you're more than welcome to remove this application through the programs and features setting of your Windows computer if you choose to do so. It's not going to really nag you or anything. It's not going to run in the background of your computer. So there's really no harm in keeping it, but you don't have to keep it on your computer if you don't want to. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.